And there are mixed feelings this evening from residents and vendors in Old Harbour Bay, St. Catherine, about the strict measures announced by the government for the Easter period. They feel the measure will have a bearing on their usual Easter activities. We have more in this report.
Old Harbour Bay Fishing Village in St. Catherine, bustling with life Thursday. Regulars at the fishing village attribute Thursday's rush to the imminent semi-shutdown announced by Prime Minister Andrew Holness for the Easter weekend. Persons who want fish to pair with their Easter buns know this might be their last chance to get it. We observed as some persons keep their distance from others as they went about their business, but others not so much.
We have just obey because of that the man I want to work with. We have just obey. Discipline the man I deal with it. And we Jamaican people, so we don't have discipline. Right about now, I have my 6 picnic, I can't go there left them. Because I have to work for them at school, so I have just obey.
I get me hold on and they catch me quick on them. So I have to protect myself while the people know we are coming.
As for the business side, with enough negotiation skills, you could get your favorite fish for $600. But otherwise, it is $650 or $700 per pound.
No, I say, as you can see, we have nice fresh fish out on the beach and nothing now go on. Easter kind of turn down away. You see it? Well, I don't even know what to say. As you can see now, igloo up there, pretty fish in there and fish and now sell, snap apart, everything out there. People are not turning out to take a carry.
Things have to go on said way to call Easter and we have to have Easter. You understand that there? But the government right still now, because I hold up a gathering and then there's something there. This is for real and then there's something there. You understand that there? But business still a go on, you know, business a stop still, but it kind of slow a little bit, you know, but business a go on. You see it?
What price and how people are buy?
The people them a buy good at 600 and 650 a fight, but things still a go on. But you carry roll as the people, some people buy for around 2 weeks ago and 1 week ago and store refrigerator, but maybe it's today last day because them are locked down the place. Everybody a buy, figure lock in tomorrow.
Police and military teams were spotted, keeping a watch on things. While we were there, they were not required. But with a swimming beach nearby, at least one resident feels the security forces' jobs could be a little harder over the coming days.
If the people don't come out, we're going to hide on the back and scrape the fish them. One by one. People must come.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.